A loss for abortion advocates in Michigan. The state's Court of Appeals ruling today that county prosecutors can enforce a decades-old abortion ban.
So it would make abortions illegal in Michigan unless necessary to save the mother's life, and allows prosecutors the ability to charge abortion providers with a crime if they break the law. 7 investigator Heather Catallo joining us now with the latest on this developing story. Heather.
Well, today's ruling sent legal teams and prosecutors across the state scrambling to decide what their next moves will be. But as of right now, once this order takes effect after 21 days, which county you live in will determine whether doctors and nurses can be charged with a crime.
Michigan's 83 county prosecutors can charge healthcare providers with a crime for performing abortions unless the life of the mother is at risk. That's the latest ruling from Michigan's Court of Appeals. This new development stems from a Planned Parenthood lawsuit that was filed in May. In that case, Court of Claims Judge Elizabeth Gleischer issued an injunction barring any Michigan prosecutor from enforcing a 1931 law that makes performing an abortion a crime. But prosecutors from Kent County and Jackson County asked the Court of Appeals to step in, arguing they were local officials, not state officials, so the injunction does not apply to them.
The Court of Claims has no jurisdiction over local county officials of any kind.
Attorney David Coleman represents the 2 prosecutors who challenged that injunction.
We have proper processes and laws in place and proper jurisdiction. And judges, the first thing they look at is, do they have jurisdiction to hear a case? And if they don't have jurisdiction, they're supposed to dismiss it. The minute Planned Parenthood said to Judge Gleischer, we want to bind all the county prosecutors, that judge should have said, no, I don't have the jurisdiction.
Planned Parenthood of Michigan's president and CEO, Paula Thornton-Greer, says they're still weighing their legal options, but stressed the Court of Appeals order won't take effect for at least 21 days.
I want to make one thing abundantly clear. Abortion is still safe and legal in Michigan today. We're committed to protecting abortion access in Michigan. We believe that the Court of Appeals order is wrong. Any prosecutor who attempts enforcement before that period of time would be acting outside the law, and they should be held in contempt.
Ever since the U.S. Supreme Court struck down Roe v. Wade, pro-choice advocates have been trying to get the law changed. There is still a separate pending lawsuit from Governor Gretchen Whitmer against county prosecutors that could be decided by the Michigan Supreme Court. And a ballot proposal effort to change the law is also underway.
We do have some breaking news right now. Governor Whitmer has now filed a request for a temporary restraining order in that separate case that she started back in April in the hopes of preventing the 1931 law from being enforced. Meanwhile, 7 Democratic prosecutors, including the Oakland and Wayne County prosecutors, say they won't spend county resources to enforce this law. So once this takes effect, these prosecutions will be on a county-by-county basis. Brian?
And the battle's not over yet. Heather, thank you.